For me, my favorite thing to eat in Mexico City is a gordita. What's up, guys? This is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere. I sort of lost my voice last night, drinking a little too much mezcal, but it's okay. I'm here in Mexico City, and right now I'm gonna go eat some delicious gorditas, some quesadillas. The food here is amazing. The food here is too good, and it's so cheap. Watch this. We're gonna go. We eat at a street food vendor. There's actually 2 street food vendors right next to my place. This is probably the best Airbnb because these 2 street vendors are right here. We also have a guy making like juices, smoothies. Oh, they're so good. I'm gonna have the Vampiro. The Vampiro is basically like carrots, celery, beets. Oh, so good. It's like it's gonna fix me up right now because I lost my voice. Let's go eat some amazing Mexican street food. Breakfast, street food, it's the best. So I just got a Vampiro. This thing is so good. It's gonna help me with my hangover right now. This is like Varsovia and Londres, and literally right across the street we have some of the best gorditas. Quiero muchas gorditas hoy. Sopes, gorditas,
tlacoyos, quesadillas y pambazos.
Uno de queso y también un gordita. Y si tengo mucho más hambre, agarro un quesadilla.
Ajá.
¿Qué tiene esto para saber?
Es de, el tlacoyo es de requesón, lleva salsa, cebolla, cilantro y nopalitos.
Tlacoyo.
Tlacoyo de requesón.
Tlacoyo de requesón.
Ajá. Tlacoyo.
So I'm gonna have a racoyo to start. Delicious cheese, got green salsa, the blue masa, which is very different. It's delicious. This thing looks amazing. Oh wow. Literally turning into taco. Really hot. Green sauce is extremely hot. Woo. I love the white cheese they put. It reminds me of Ooh, it's too hot. It reminds me of an arepa in Venezuela. This cheese is what they use. Super white cheese. Put like some string beans in here, some celery, some onions. Oh, it's so good. Oh, demasiado delicioso esto. Riquísimo. Second thing I got is una gordita. This is with chorizo. So a gordita is like a filled arepa in a way. It looks like similar to pupusa. They put chorizo and then a bunch of different things. You have string beans again in here. Some cheese. Ah, this looks too good. It's ridiculous. The only problem is that everything keeps falling out. Put your hands around where the holes are. Just eat. Wow, I love this. For me, my favorite thing to eat in Mexico City is a gordita, but I also like mole. If you guys combine them, that'd be great. Another thing I love about the city is that you literally go outside. Like I just walked outside my Airbnb, and there's these 2 different street vendors selling amazing food. A juice guy making incredible juices. Doesn't happen in America. Oh my god. Last bite.
Chicharrón con queso.
Vale, uno de esos para mí.
¿Una de estas?
So I'm gonna make quesadilla with chicharrón and cheese. Chicharrón is like basically the fat, pork fat fried. It's really good. Why not? Muy bueno. Quesadilla with chicharrón. Sabes que en Estados Unidos un quesadilla siempre tiene queso.
Tiene queso.
Aquí no, ¿no? Sí. Aquí se cambia.
Es opcional.
Sí, es opcional. So what they were telling me is like here in Mexico, a real quesadilla doesn't have to have queso. Like, it doesn't have to have cheese. This one does have cheese, but like in America, every single one has cheese. But in America, most Mexican restaurants are Tex-Mex. They're not really Mexican. Well, enough talking. Let's eat. So good. This is probably my favorite thing now. Everything's so good. Can't stop eating. It's like very simple. Pork fat, fried, cheese, cilantro, delicious. ¿Cuánto es total? Todo? 58, so 58 pesos. Oh my god, I have to get another juice because I need to get over this hangover. It's still hitting me. But my favorite thing so far of those three things was the quesadilla with chicharrón. That was so good. The Vampiro drink is great, but just regular oranges, can't beat it. I'm gonna go pack up really fast, get ready because I have to go to the airport in an hour and a half. So I took a little nap. I feel way better now. Still like lost my voice from last night, but it's cool. Going now to the airport, it's about a 30-40 minute Uber drive. It really depends on traffic because this is one of the worst cities in the world for traffic. But right now he's saying it's about 30+ minutes, so we're good with time. Try to always leave 3 hours early because you never know what can happen. Anything can happen, traffic, accident, anything, and we gotta get to the airport. So we're gonna go to the airport now, going back to Miami. I have to say, this is one of my favorite cities in the world now. Very nice. It's not as dangerous as everybody says it is. Food is out of control, and there's so many people I know here now. It's just, everybody's so nice. And yeah, I'm gonna dream about the street food for a long time. So now let's go to the airport. The flight to Miami is about 3 hours. I'm going with American Airlines, small plane. It's a 3-3 configuration. I'm leaving here at 2 p.m. The time changes 2 hours, so we arrive around 7 p.m. Miami time. I can't wait to get home and see my wife and daughter. Super excited. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. But don't forget to try mezcal when you come to Mexico.